Imagine holding the future of filmmaking right in your hand. Today, we finally have our first real-world look at the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4, and if the latest leaks are accurate, this could be the biggest upgrade the Pocket series has ever seen. The hands-on footage surfaced from an official DJI retail store in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, where a customer was spotted testing the device in store. The video gives us a clear look at the design, and at first glance, it feels familiar. It carries the same compact, pocket-friendly form factor we've come to expect. But look closer, and the changes start to reveal something much bigger. One of the first noticeable additions is a small LED light mounted on top. Reports suggest this light may be detachable, giving creators a built-in solution for low-light vlogging and nighttime shooting. It's a small detail, but one that adds real versatility for on-the-go creators. But the real story isn't the design. It's what's happening inside. According to detailed leaks shared by tech insider Igor Bogdanov, the Pocket 4 Pro could feature a completely redesigned imaging system, including a dual camera setup. That means 2 lenses inside one compact body, a wide-angle lens for everyday shooting and a telephoto lens for zoomed-in shots. But this isn't just about adding another camera. The system is designed to switch intelligently between lenses. When you shoot wide, the main lens handles everything. But once you zoom past a certain point, the telephoto lens takes over automatically. The result? True optical clarity instead of digital zoom, sharper details, cleaner images, and professional-looking footage even at a distance. And then there's the processing power. The Pocket 4 Pro is rumored to include 2 separate image processors. The main processor handles recording and encoding, while a secondary pre-processing chip works behind the scenes. This auxiliary processor focuses on noise reduction, brightness optimization, and shadow recovery before the footage even reaches the main system. In simple terms, your video is being enhanced twice, in real time. This dual processor design could significantly improve low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image quality, especially for vloggers and travel creators who shoot in constantly changing environments. But DJI isn't stopping there. Another rumored feature is an intelligent scene optimization system. A built-in light sensor continuously analyzes your environment and automatically adjusts the processing workflow. In bright daylight, the camera may reduce extra processing to save battery. But in low light or complex scenes, it activates the full dual processor pipeline to maximize image quality. That means better performance when you need it, and longer battery life when you don't. As competition grows in the compact camera space, with more brands exploring AI features and multi-lens designs, DJI appears focused on staying ahead through real engineering innovation. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro won't just be an incremental upgrade. It could set a new standard for handheld content creation, combining professional image quality, intelligent automation, and true versatility in a device that fits in your pocket. Whether you're a vlogger, traveler, or everyday creator, this might be the most powerful pocket camera DJI has ever built. Now the question is, would this dual camera, dual processor system be enough to upgrade your setup? And if you want more deep dives into the biggest tech leaks and upcoming releases, stay tuned, because the next big reveal might be closer than you think.